Good morning to one and all. My name is G. Somesh and I am from AC branch. Today's topic about vector differentiation and vector operators. What is meant by vector differentiation? The derivative of a vector valued function can be understood to be an instantaneous rate of change as well. For example, when the function represents the position of an object at a given point in time, the derivative represents its velocity at that same point in time. Differentiation is a process of finding a function that outputs the rate of change of one variable with respect to another variable, which represents the cat speed, that is the rate of change of its position with respect of to time. How we can differentiate vectors? To take the derivative of a vector valued function takes the derivative of each component. If you interrupt the initial function as giving the position of a particle as a function of time, the derivative gives the velocity vector of that particular particle as a function of time. If r of t represents the position of a particle, then the derivative c is the velocity of the particle. V of t is equals to dr dt is equals to r dash of t. The speed of the particle is the magnitude of the velocity vector. Vector operators. A vector operator is a differentiable operator used in vector calculus. Vector operators are defined in terms of del and include the gradient, divergence and curl. The Laplacian is vector operators must always come right before the scalar field or vector field on which they operate in order to produce a result. Is vector operators and vector operators are not vectors, but under the transformation the components of the del operator transform like a contravent vector. In mathematics and sometimes in computer graphic programming, an operator is a character that represents an action. As for example, x is an arithmetic operator that represents multiplication. In computer programs, one of the most familiar sets of the operators, the Boolean operators, is used to work with true or false values. Vector operators having two types. They are del operator, de Hilbertian operator. Thank you.